You're a good boy. Uh-huh. Yeah. You're a good boy. Good boy. Yeah. You're a good boy.
You pretty, Bugle?
You're a pretty boy.
Pretty boy. Pretty boy.
You gonna get all quiet now
Pretty
that
boy.
the camera's on you?
You pretty boy. Pretty boy.
He's like,
Pretty boy.
where'd Mama go?
Pretty
Where's
boy.
Shauna Kay? Oh,
Yeah.
so pretty.
Yeah, I guarantee. What? You love what? You love what? You love her? Huh? Do you love her? Huh?
Where's Shauna Kay?
Where's Shauna Kay? Where's Shauna Kay?
Shauna.
Shauna Kay! Shauna Kay!
He's so pretty.
Isn't he? Well, he looks like Taco. Taco kind of looks like him. Huh?
Taco?
Taco?
Wait till you meet Taco. I should have brought
He's gonna
Taco.
Dance. He's gonna dance.
I want Taco to meet you. Yeah, you're gonna meet Taco.
You gotta get one of these.
They're real expensive.
Yeah, well, you gotta get. I know.
Yeah, I know. I know.
I know. Yeah.
I love
Yeah.
you.
So what? Love you. Love you, buddy. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
When we go, he'll probably start.
Bye, buddy. Bye, buddy.
Hey, his name is Bugle.
Bugle.
Hi,
That's
Bugle.
Hey, Bugle.
Go, Bugle.
Say
Go, Bugle.
Go, Bugle. Go, Bugle. Go, Bugle. Go, Bugle.
I can't wait to bring Taco over to meet you.
He is so cool.
He is a pretty, pretty bird.
You ain't heard nothing. You ain't heard. We
Well, of course. I mean, he doesn't even know us.
I know, but we'd come over to the house and he'd just constantly be talking.
Hi,
Hi,
Bugle.
buddy. Come here. Come here. Bye, Bugle. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
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 Yeah.
Bye-bye, Bugle. Come on. Come on. Bye-bye, Bugle.
Bye-bye, Bugle.
Bugle.